The chemical reaction immediately begins, turning the clear liquid dark purple as it encapsulates and neutralizes.
The detailer lubricates the clear coat, then gently glides a synthetic clay bar across the surface, shearing off.
The McLaren Senna is now fully secured in the Process A correction bay. The specialized random.
The heavy cutting stage begins. The robotic polisher activates, abrading the clear coat and removing micro scratches.
The ultra-soft pad utilizes diminishing abrasive technology, breaking down into a fine oil for a liquid-like finish.
The robotic system uses its 5-axis articulation to maintain the jeweling pad perfectly tangent to the curve.
A high-purity isopropyl alcohol blend panel wipe chemically strips the clear coat. The technician ensures
Riding see the flawless clear coat and carbon fiber weave. A digital sensor confirms optimal environmental parameters within the.
The technician confirms the batch number and viscosity are within tight tolerances. A specialized solvent wipe This buffing step removes excess coating material and ensures the remaining layer is perfectly flat and optically clear.
The shortwave infrared accelerates the cross-linking of product A, creating a durable silica layer.
The water beads up instantly, rapidly rolling off the surface. This confirms the successful chemical transformation of the
Flawless application across the entire vehicle, no high points.
Confirmed, the white accents look incredible.
All right, finalizing the sign-off for process B.
Secured in its climate-controlled container, the digital label confirms the ceramic coating.
A specialized, low-tack protective film is robotically draped and sealed over the most vulnerable front sections.
The method of trucks as it exits the secure perimeter, symbolizing the distribution of the finished.
Our quick detailer spreads easily and buffs off instantly, confirming the long-term effectiveness of the industrial application process.
Under these challenging light conditions, flawless finish of this evident.
The ceramic coating really highlights the weave structure.
It's stunning. The white details look painted on.
Here are the keys, sir.
Thank you. The product B coating is performing flawlessly. It's pristine.
Protected by product B, the vehicle's surface glows intensely, demonstrating functional excellence and long-term preservation.
The flawless reflection confirms the success of the detailing pipeline, a testament to the precision.
Let's go lower, really emphasize the carbon weave.
Got it. The texture is incredible in this light.
The flawless reflection on product B demonstrates the clarity achieved during the jeweling phase. This consists.
The extremely low surface friction of product B causes the dust to slide instantly off the surface without adhering.
The low, warm light bathes the vehicle, maximizing the reflection and depth of the ceramic-coated carbon fiber panels. Product A's.
The ceramic-coated carbon fiber exhibits noticeably higher gloss and deeper reflection. The adjacent vehicle's standard finish.
This flawless reflection confirms the long-term benefits of our secondary manufacturing process, ensuring a
Product B resists the adhesion and staining from the hot brake dust, It sits loosely on the slick surface, ready to be rinsed away.
As demonstrated here, the ceramic coating prevents bonding, allowing for effortless cleaning and confirming the superior chemical resistance of product B. Despite the high operating temperatures, the ceramic coating, known as product B, maintains a flawless finish. The water behavior is striking, demonstrating the extreme ease of cleaning and the self-maintenance properties of the final product.
The ceramic-coated surface of this McLaren Senna maximizes its visual presentation, demonstrating its role in long-term.
Moving slowly through the challenging environment, the Senna's ceramic-coated surface resists all debris. The deep